We all know that eating sugary foods and liquids means feeding the bacteria which cause dental cavities as well as result in plaque buildup, which leads to gum problems. Sugars are one of the biggest enemies of teeth. However, there are some sugars which act differently. Instead of feeding bacteria, particularly Streptococcus mutans, which is the cause of dental cavities, as well as other bacteria which result in buildup of plaque as well as gum diseases. These sugars are tooth friendly and actually enemies of bacteria that cause dental problems. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shubha. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. After watching the video, if you find it beneficial, please like and share. So today let's get into the video. In this video, I will be talking about natural sugars, xylitol and erythritol, which are tooth friendly and actually help to prevent dental problems. So first, before we understand how xylitol and erythritol benefit teeth, we have to understand how cavities are formed. Our mouth is a home of thousands of species of bacteria, among which Streptococcus mutans are the bacteria that are responsible for development of dental cavities. So these cavities feed on the sugars in the food that we eat. They digest these sugars and release acids as byproducts. These acids sit on the tooth and gradually, slowly dissolve the enamel. This is why it is recommended to not consume sugary food, liquids and processed food as snacks frequently in between meals. So this is how cavities develop. So when it comes to sugars like erythritol and xylitol, the bacteria are not able to digest this food. Hence, they starve and their population comes down drastically to almost 90% of the population that was present. So the quantity of acid produced is considerably reduced and the frequency of dental cavities also reduces. These natural sugars, particularly xylitol and erythritol, they also create an alkaline environment in the mouth. Hence, there is an increased production of saliva, which is a natural antiseptic of your mouth. So saliva washes away bacteria and any food that remains inside the mouth. This also reduces the incidence of dental problems. So xylitol and erythritol, they also prevent the bacteria from attaching and sticking to the tooth surface, which in which case there is buildup of plaque. Hence, these sugars also reduce the thickness and volume of plaque that develops in a particular time period. So now let us see what xylitol and erythritol are and where do we find them, in what kind of food are they consumed by people, and how often should they be consumed to produce effects. So xylitol and erythritol are natural sugar alcohols, but they do not produce the effects of alcohol. They are as sweet as normal sugars, but they have 0 calories or almost close to very less calories, and they have no effect on the blood sugar levels. So xylitol is found in small quantities in fruits, vegetables, strawberries, plums, cauliflower, and such food. Whereas erythritol is found in fermented foods and grapes, plums. So these sugars are utilized because of their health benefits in sugar-free gums, sugar-free candies, keto food, then in low calorie food which are used for diabetic patients, people who are very health conscious and diet conscious, in diet colas and drinks. They are also found in sugar-free chewing gums, mints. So these food, when consumed, have shown that there is a reduction in dental cavities and gum issues. So usually sugar-free gums and candies can be consumed in place of other sugary snacks and processed food. So it is not the quantity of these natural sweeteners, but it is the frequency of usage of these sweeteners that produces evident results. So the effect of xylitol and erythritol should be felt on the tooth for longer periods of time. So these sugars should be in contact with the teeth for longer periods of time and at greater frequency. So it is recommended for people who are very conscious and who have a high incidence of dental cavities and gum problems to chew candies and sugar-free gums and mint after meals, to chew them for at least 2 to 5 minutes so that their effect is more on the tooth. It is also recommended to use sugar-free mouthwashes and mouthwashes that contain xylitol and erythritol in particular. It is recommended to check the label and see for the constituents before consuming them. It is important to see to it that the product contains 100% xylitol and less amount of acid, because acid can neutralize the effect of xylitol on the teeth. Even though xylitol and erythritol are beneficial natural sweeteners which are very effective against dental cavities and gum problems, they are not a substitute for the normal brushing of your teeth twice in a day with a fluoride toothpaste and a regular visit to your dentist, which should be at least twice in a year. Hope this video is beneficial. Thank you.